In this section, we will examine the results of our simulation. We'll look at both normal and shear stresses and the contours of displacement magnitude. So we'll go back to the simulation process, and under Results, we will evaluate the results. And after evaluating the results, we see that a displacement magnitude is automatically created. And when we investigate, we can see how the shape of the post has been affected by the different forces and pressures we have applied. So for the displacement magnitude, we can see that where we applied our fixed support, there's zero displacement. And then up here at the sign, we have our maximum displacement, which is what we would expect. And if we want to look at normal stress, we can go to Results and add a new contour. We can rename this Stress XX, and for the location, we can choose just the post body. And under Variable, we'll go under Stress and choose Stress XX, and then Evaluate. And then we can follow the same process and create another contour, this time in the Y direction. And we can continue by creating another contour, this time in the Z direction. This time, the stress along the post is no longer uniform, so we get a maximum on this side and the minimum on this side. Another thing that we can do is investigate the shear stresses on the post. So if we create a new contour, this time we can name it Stress XY, choose the post again, and for the variable under stress, we'll choose Stress XY. And then we can follow the same process for the XZ direction. And finally, we can follow the same process for the stress in the YZ direction. And we'll rename this as well and evaluate. And again, we get the rainbow coloring where we have a maximum stress, shear stress on this side of the post and a minimum on the far side.